Once upon a time, in a lush forest, a group of unlikely friends came together, each with its own unique qualities. Fox was swift and clever, always thinking ahead. Rabbit, with its gentle nature, was quick to offer a helping hand or paw whenever someone needed it. Cat, with its calm demeanor, brought peace to the group, while Frog, ever the playful one, always knew how to bring joy with a leap and a croak. Monkey was the mischievous one, swinging from tree to tree, keeping everyone entertained with his antics. And Crow, with its keen eyes and wisdom, often guided the group through challenges. One sunny afternoon, the friends were wandering through the forest when they came across a large tree that had fallen, blocking their path. Each one of them tried to figure out how to move the tree, but it was too heavy for any of them alone. Fox suggested using teamwork, so they all pitched in. Rabbit and Cat worked together to push, Frog hopped in to lend a hand, and Monkey used his strength to pull. Crow used its sharp eyes to guide them, telling them when to shift direction. Finally, after some effort, they managed to move the tree and clear the path. From that day on, they realized how powerful friendship was. Each had their own strengths, but together, they could overcome anything. They spent their days exploring the forest, sharing laughter and adventures, knowing that no matter the challenge, they had each other. And so, Fox, Rabbit, Cat, Frog, Monkey, and Crow remained the best of friends, proving that no matter how different you are, true friendship knows no boundaries.